Our order from Elite Clipper Modifications has arrived. That is a bracket for the Ergo that turns it into a fast feed, or as they say, faster feed. This little adapter you can put on your Ergo, and then you can put the fast feed blade on your Ergo, turning it into a cordless faster feed. Very cool things happening with modifications right now in the industry, and these Ergos are embracing the modifications. Elite Clipper Modifications is one worth checking out. They make brackets for a number of different blade modifications. Filthy Mods with a PH, Filthy Mods. You can check them out. They make a master adapter for the Ergo that you can put the master blade on. So very cool modifications happening in the industry right now.